Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys special something. So guys, this is local tomato. This is a tomato where they before all this Derica, all those just tomato and Fulani tomato came out. During our four mothers, this is waiting they use to prepare stew. You can see then plenty here. This is a leaf. This is the flower. This is how you do before the seed come out. So guys can see how plenty is this. This one is ripe small. Let me show you the inside. Can see the inside. When you ripe like this, you see from this side out. That is how you write. You remove the seed, then you blend it then they blend tomato. The thing will turn to stew. You fry it. So guys can see it. Plenty of them is here. So if you want to plant it, you plant it near your fence so that when the thing will climb, you climb the fence, then you put the hand for the fence, then the seed. So guys can see plenty seed. And in the here, can see how it brings seed. See, very plenty. See, plenty. See this one. See one ripe one inside. Then inside this side. That one don't ripe. I have to plug am now. If you plug it, you remove the seed, you blend it. Can make your stew. So guys can see how it long. And see how it long. Very special something. Can see. This is what our mother used before the Derica came out. See, and if you cook it, it's very thick and sweet. See, this is a leaf. All this one are a leaf. Is a leaf. And see, plenty from that place, from that side here. See where it ends. From here down to here. To here. See how it climb the fence. Here. You go down to the end here. This is where it ends. You see how. So the thing, once you plant one seed, the thing will cover the whole place, because the thing can do no be small. And see, this one is ripe from inside. This is a seed. This is the seed. If you remove the seed now, this is not ripe yet. For say all the inside, the back ripe. If you remove the seed now, now to wash it and blend it in your blender, you started making your stew. So it's very, very sweet. And see, very big. See this one. They're very big. See, wow, very big. See, all this one never ripe. Leave it like 2-3 days now. You'll see all of them ripe. And they'll plug it and make your stew. If you don't have tomato, use it and make your stew. You're very, very delicious and good. This is what our mother used during their time when they don't know tomato. Until tomato come out, nobody value it again. Few people that value it. As tomato take over all over the place, they didn't value it again. Now just few people. Now then get it. Like this one I'm showing people now is for my neighbor. It's the one that plant it. It's the one that have it. Because now then get it. So if you pick 2, if you ripe, you pick 2 or 3, you make your stew. The stew will plenty because it's big. So I just want to show you guys. This place, they have it very well. Here is tomato. You can see. And plant tomato here. You can see. See the one they pluck. See the one that never ripe. They inside. God, these people really make it. Oh. They have everything in their guiding. So you pick it. If you want to mix them with tomato, you mix 2 of them. You blend it with pepper, onion. Still don't start. Boil your rice, your yam, or anything, and use it and eat it. So I just want to show you guys. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and comment and share it. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.